Hello guys, I'm Meet Sony. Welcome back to my channel. If you're a fresher and looking for a job opportunity in tech career, this video can definitely save your time because I came up with 3 new fresh job opportunities in tech and data roles. These roles are from Wikasta Business, Ingram Micro and PRS Stockbrokers. Some of these roles offer work from home and one role offers package up to 8.6 LPA. So make sure to watch till the end because I will be quickly covering responsibilities, qualifications, salary, and location. Let's get started. The first opportunity is from Ingram Micro and they are hiring for the role of data analyst. Yes, I came up with the data analyst role because some of you guys are commenting for this role. So yeah, this opportunity is open for freshers and this is a full-time work from home job. The company offers a 5-day working schedule and the salary between 4.6 to 6 LPA, and the company also provides ESOPs. Ingram Micro is a global technology and supply chain service company. The company helps businesses manage technology solutions, cloud services, and digital transformations. In this role, you will work on data analysis and business intelligence tasks. You will perform statistical analysis using tools like SPSS. This includes techniques like regression analysis, hypothesis testing, and survey analysis. You will also work with SQL databases such as MySQL or PostgreSQL to extract and manipulate data. Another responsibility will be data cleaning and validation to ensure data accuracy. You will also use Python libraries like Pandas, NumPy, and scikit-learn for data analysis and automation. You may also create dashboards and reports using Tableau to help stakeholders understand business performance. The role also requires working with teams such as marketing, finance, and operations to deliver data insights. Candidates should have knowledge of SQL databases, Python for analysis, statistical analysis concept, and data visualization tools like Tableau. Now, coming to the second opportunity, this one is from Wikasta Business and Technical Solutions Private Limited. They are hiring for the role of software development engineer. This is also a full-time work from home position and the company follows 5 working days per week. The salary for this role ranges between 4.8 LPA to 8.6 LPA. So yeah, it's pretty decent. In this role, you will design, develop and maintain software features and modules. You will write clean, efficient and well-documented code. You will collaborate with other team members to understand project requirements and deliver the right technical solutions. Another responsibility will be debugging and testing applications to ensure high performance and reliability. Coming to the skills and qualifications, candidates should have a strong understanding of DSA, OOPS concept, and you should know at least one programming language such as Python, Java, C++, or Go. The company expects candidate to have strong problem-solving mindset and ability to approach technical challenges logically. You should also have basic knowledge of databases such as SQL or NoSQL and backend development concepts. Candidates should be comfortable working in Linux or Unix environments and should know how to use Git for version control. Knowledge of cloud platforms like AWS, Google Cloud, or Microsoft Azure will also be helpful. Exposure to containers, orchestration tools, distributed systems, or messaging queues will be considered an advantage. Now, coming to the third opportunity, one is from PRS Stockbrokers, and they are hiring for the role of Associate Full Stack Engineer. Candidates with 0 to 2 years of experience can apply, and the salary for this role ranges between 2.5 LPA to 4.5 LPA. This is a full time permanent position, and yeah, one important thing, this opening is only for women candidates. This is a financial services company. The company provides stock trading platforms and digital investment solutions. It focuses on combining physical and digital experience to improve trading services for customers. In this role, you will work on full stack application development. You will design and maintain features across the entire software lifecycle. You will also work with financial data systems and data pipelines. Another responsibility is managing data flow between SQL and NoSQL databases. You will also build high performance applications and APIs. Sometimes you may also research and solve complex technical problems independently. Coming to the skills part, candidates should have strong knowledge of Python. You should also understand JavaScript or TypeScript for front end. Experience with SQL or NoSQL databases is also required. You should also understand RESTful APIs, HTTP protocols, and web technologies. The company also expects candidate to have a GitHub profile or personal portfolio. Coming to the qualifications, If you are graduated in diploma, CSC, BTech, BE, BCom, BBA, BMS, BSc in any specialization, you are completely eligible, or any postgraduate is also eligible. So yeah, these were the three quick opportunities. All the apply links are in the description box. For more fresh job opportunities like these, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notifications. Till then, keep learning and keep applying. Thanks for watching.